Welcome to Nehan Drawing!
Watch the pencil move, make a little curve. Draw a rectangle shape just as long as you dare. Now we add the crinkly paper flying in the air. Now we add the crinkly paper flying in the air. Triangles for decoration, sweet like a charm. Draw the second candy, resting on its arm. Yummy candy, oh so sweet. Draw a smile and feel the beat. Red and pink and shiny bright. Happy faces, eyes so wide. Sugar joy is deep inside. Make a circle for the eye, big and bright and round. A little happy smiling mouth is the best thing we have found. Is the best thing we have found. Now a brush comes out to play, dipping in the red, dipping in the red, dipping in the red. Painting every space we traced, just like I have said. Yummy candy, oh so sweet. Draw a smile and feel the beat. Red and pink and shiny bright. Happy faces, eyes so wide. Sugar joy is deep inside. Switch the color hot, soft and pink, faster than a blink. See the crinkled edges too. What do you think? Add the glossy highlights now, little spots of light. Now our yummy candy shines beautiful and bright. Yummy candy, oh so sweet. Draw a smile and feel the beat. Red and pink and shiny bright. Happy faces, eyes so wide. Sugar joy is deep inside. Two little hearts for the top, sweet and true. We made something yummy, me and you. Watch the line begin to dance on a paper field so white. Give your yellow pencil a chance to make a drawing shine so bright. First a curve and then a bend. Shapes are meeting like a friend. Look at that, we made a form moving through a color storm. Oh sweet drawings, colors bold, stories waiting to be told. From a line and from a square, something magic's in the air. Sparkle like a sugar cube, watch it on the drawing tube. Candy happy, candy sweet, drawing is a tasty treat. Now a twinkle for